What's going on, everyone? This is Josh with C3S Garage. In a couple of days, I was washing the car. I was giving the car a power wash, and I noticed this little black dot in my side view mirror. And I figured, you know what? It's a bug. It's something else. I don't know what it is. So like any smart human would do, I decided to go ahead and start peeling it to see what it was. And lo and behold, I was chipping away the paint of this Tesla, which is terrible. No paint should peel this easily after giving it a quick wash. And two, I have never seen something like this happen to any of my cars ever. So this is a first and is extremely concerning with the Tesla quality, as we've spoken previously. This is something that should not happen with these cars. Decided to go online and buy the replacement part. Did not go through the Tesla service because Tesla service is expensive and I don't like it. So I went ahead and bought it through eBay, and I can honestly say that the ending product looks a lot better than I thought. To take this off, we're gonna go ahead and use two different prying tools. We're gonna use a small one to pry the clips out. Doesn't matter if you break them or not, I just don't want to mess with the actual black part of the car. So I'm using the smaller one, which is a little bit more delicate, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the other one to finish prying the bigger portions. After prying the bigger portions, we're gonna go ahead and use this particular tool, which I forgot the name to pry open the smaller portions as well as the parts that may break, including the clips holding the white part to the black trim. And just to quickly point out, there's no glue or any screws holding this together aside from clips, so you will need to do some maximum effort to make sure you can remove this with your hands. And don't worry, the only thing that you might break are the old clips holding the white portion to the trim. Before we continue with the installation, I want to show you guys the paint for this car. I was thoroughly disappointed because it doesn't feel like actual paint. It feels more like a wrap. Now I know this is paint on plastic, but I have never seen this before, and the way it peels just makes me feel kind of weird. I would definitely suggest for you guys to buy some kind of PPF film to protect this paint from chips and rocks, as I assume that this is the first way that this little hole started. So I definitely recommend some PPF on your Tesla if you're planning on buying one, or if you have one, make sure that you add this PPF film to it. And as always, I want to go ahead and clean this area thoroughly. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just enough to clean out little pieces and little debris that gets into the car over the years. Why not give it a clean up right now that we have this open? And before installing, I do want to do a side-by-side comparison. There are a couple of things to note. One, the eBay one that I bought does not have the glitter that the Tesla OEM has. It's also a different build quality. It does not feel any different. I could just tell that it's a different build quality and also a different paint. It's not a mismatch. It's just missing the glitter, as it is only a gloss white, which on a white car, I won't really tell the difference. You let me know down in the comments if this is something that would bother you. To install this, all you have to do is align it to the cap and the clips, and then slam it down gently, hearing every single clip and making sure that it doesn't open after you have clipped everything on. And please don't judge me, I did get a new tattoo, so it's on recovery right now. So I do have the tape that they put to make sure that the tattoos are well and not harmed from everything. So please excuse that. Continuing with the installation, I'm just getting a feel for the strength of this. I don't want to have this fly out in the middle of the freeway, so I'm just kind of making sure that everything is well positioned and well put together. As I mentioned, this was a fast install on the Tesla. It was a repair that I figured I would show you guys because it is something that is fairly common, but people don't often put videos on this or show how to do it properly. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys how to properly take up the cover and put a new one on. And as I mentioned, the white on white without the freckles or without the glitter looks absolutely the same. Doesn't make any difference to me, and looking at the car from far away looks exactly the same. The build quality as well as the paint matching is perfect, and I'm just very happy with this. Again, I didn't spend hundreds of dollars on the Tesla service and cost to get a new one. I bought it on eBay for a fraction of the price. I will put the links below if you guys are wanting to buy this or any other color. Let me know if you have any questions, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.